मॅडम आयज जी ग्रामसभा आशिल्ली गिरी पंचायतीची कितें कशी आशिल्ली आयज आनी वॉट वर द रेज क्वेश्चन्स?
With regards to illegal land filling that I've been raising for the last 5 years, illegal parking that happens on either sides of the road where traffic doesn't ease out easily, and tenant verification. And there was an issue that was raised with regards to road widening. So I'm not much aware about the road widening area, but with regards to the illegal land filling during Shubham Desai's time and Babaji's time, illegal land filling never took place. And even if there was, they would make sure they would stand there personally and take out all the debris out and return it back to its normal position. But this time, since January, the day the Sarpanch has taken over, it's continuously happening, and I've been telling him to go take it out, but he says like let whatever the process is of the government, let it take place as it is. But when these things happen, then you have illegal shanties that take place. If we have seen all across, these things had taken place during the first Sarpanch's time. Initially they would say it was for nurseries and so on and so forth, but now you can see ground plus ones happening and so on, and all commercial activities taking place. So we have requested the Sarpanch and the secretary to go in compliance with the High Court order, and she made sure that she would do it. But let's see for the next Gram Sabha what happens.
Adding to your point, you said that the roadside nurseries, are they have a valid NOC and a permission to?
I was talking about they would put up boards saying that it is for nursery purpose, but they would construct commercial spaces.
Yeah, but when we see that a particular area being allotted to them, but we keep on seeing that की त्यांचो जो जागो आसा नर्सरीचो झाडां लावन 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 लावन
Yes.
ती जागो जो आसा तो एक्सटेंड जायत रावता and
Yes.
it is like more than 100 square meter
Yes.
they occupy.
Yes.
So how the panchayat
The
will be
panchayat
taking?
has to take a stand on this. No, the first things first, they should cancel the trade license, which they always say that panchayat wants to gain revenue and so on and so forth. Panchayat has to cancel the trade license, which they don't want to do. So once they cancel the trade license, then only they can
Act on such things.
they can, and then they can go in for if they don't have trade license, then they can go in for demolition or excavating or whatever.
But do the panchayat have the right to act against?
Of course,
on that?
they have every right.
So why not the panchayats? So far, so many years they have not done anything.
I
on
don't
it.
know why are they not acting. Like I told you, Shubham's time and Babaji's time, they did act. Now these things are mushrooming and blooming up all over Giri. This happened during the first Sarpanch's time, and after that nobody wanted to take a stand on it. But in between, whatever was happening during these two people's time, they have taken a stand.
So-
But this new Sarpanch, I have no say about it.
So सरपंच चेंज जावपाची गरज आहा अशें म्हणटा तुमी.
That all depends on them.
So if not sarpanch changes, the illegalities will be taken place into.
Looks like, no?
So the villagers stand for the against the punch.
I am not against anybody. I am against people doing illegal business. I'm not against any person or individual or whoever. I am against people doing illegal things. Illegal shanties, illegal activities, illegal commercial spaces. These are all illegal things.